Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the lymphatic system within the review of systems panel. The lymphatic system consists of a network of glands, tissues and lymphatic vessels that aid the body in fighting off infections and removing unwanted toxins. The bone marrow, tonsils and appendix are also an important part of the lymphatic system. In this video, we will go over the inspection and general notes section within the lymphatic panel of the general examination form. This video will start on the general examination form. For more information regarding how to navigate to the general examination form, please see the link in the description. Click on the Review of Systems panel. The Review of Systems panel will expand. Click on the Lymphatic Sub-panel. The Lymphatic Sub-panel will expand. Click on the image of the lymphatic system to open the video capture screen. The practitioner is able to edit the provided image to make any necessary notes, such as pointing out any problem areas and issues that the patient is experiencing. Click on the Close button to return to the lymphatic panel. Click on the Save button to save any changes made to the image. Let's look at the inspection. The practitioner will perform an inspection of the lymph nodes by applying gentle pressure in a circular motion on and around the affected lymph nodes. The shape, density and various other aspects of the lymph nodes are examined for swelling, and the practitioner is able to make note of any findings. Click on the inspection button once to indicate that an inspection has occurred. The inspection button will turn green, which is an indication of normal results. Click on the inspection button a second time, which turns the button red. Red is an indication that results were logged within this button and is not within the normal range. Click on the General Notes text box to make any necessary notes. The General Notes field is a free text field. Please note that by clicking on the inspection button for a third time, it will deselect the button and will collapse all the information found within. Now let's take a look at the general notes. Any additional notes can be made within the General Notes button. Click on the General button once to indicate that notes have been made. The General Notes button will now turn green, which is an indication that no changes were made. Click on the General Notes button a second time, which turns the button the color red. The color red is an indication that notes were logged within this button. Click on the General Notes text box to make any necessary notes. Please note that by clicking on a General Notes button for a third time, it will deselect the button and collapse all of the information found within. Click on the Close button to exit the clinical case screen and return to the diary screen without saving. Click on the drop-up menu next to Save and Close for more saving options. The Save button allows the user to save all the changes that have been made without closing the form. The button Save Lines to New Macro will allow you to create a new macro. Click on the Save and Close button to save the general examination form and close the screen to return to the diary screen.